Hello and welcome to Nutrilicious Meals. Kids love mayonnaise and I have a homemade secret recipe in mind. I'm thinking of making a healthy snack but a little confused about which vegetable to use. So I guess I'm going to take some help from the bowl. Our unique healthy veggie is bell pepper it is. So to make it more fun, let's make soya skewers with spicy potato mayonnaise with Nutrela soya. I'm going to be using Nutrela Soya Chunks because they add nutritional value to the meal and is easy to prepare. Simply take the Nutrela Soya Chunks, boil them in water, let them cook for 10 minutes. You know these soya chunks are packed with 52% protein and also chemical free, so it's healthy for kids. Let's strain it. Give it a good rinse. Squeeze out all the excess water. And here they are, ready to be used. The soya chunks are ready and now I'm going to boil a few potatoes to make the mayonnaise. So here I've taken around 3 potatoes that I've diced. Add in a teaspoon of salt and let this boil till the potatoes soften. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to quickly make the marination, for which I'm going to be using Nutrela Refined Sunflower Oil, which is light and rich in omega-6. It is fortified with vitamin A and D and helps to control blood cholesterol levels. Take 2 tablespoons of Nutrela Refined Sunflower Oil, 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli sauce, 1 heaped tablespoon of mustard sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour, salt to taste. Whisk all the ingredients with oil. I'm adding 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 yellow bell pepper chopped. Next, I'm going to add in the boiled Nutrela soya chunks. Coat all the ingredients with the marination. These are done. Let's get them out of the water. Mash the potatoes till they are smooth. To make the mayonnaise, add in 4 cloves of garlic in the grinder, 1 tablespoon black salt, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, half a teaspoon white pepper powder, a tablespoon of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. You might need a little more for a smooth mayonnaise. Add in the potato mash, a tablespoon of mustard sauce, a little more salt. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste. Check how rich and smooth this mayo is. I'm going to spice it up further with some chili flakes. The spicy potato mayonnaise is ready. The marinated ingredients are ready as well. And now it's time to skew them. So I have some 10-inch wooden toothpicks here that I've soaked in water for 10 minutes. Let's take bell peppers. Alternately skew the soya chunks and the bell peppers. I have a skillet here that's heating up. Just brush it with a little bit of oil. Place the skewers on the griller. Flip them over. These are done. Our delicious Nutrela skewers with spicy potato mayonnaise is ready. Do try this recipe at home, and for more such interesting recipes, check out the Insta handle mynutrela. Subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.